were children sacrificed at Phoenician Tophet sites. Imagine walking through ancient ruins and wondering what stories they hold. Today, we explore a question that has puzzled many. Were children sacrificed at Phoenician Tophet sites? To answer that, we need to understand what a Tophet is and how it fits into Phoenician and Carthaginian history, especially in regions like Sardinia and Sicily, which are part of southwest Europe. A Tophet is a type of burial ground found in Phoenician and Punic settlements. These sites contain urns filled with the cremated remains of infants and young children, sometimes alongside animal bones. Many believe these sites are linked to religious practices, but their true purpose is debated. Some ancient Greek and Roman writers, as well as biblical texts, describe child sacrifice as part of Phoenician and Carthaginian rituals. They talk about offerings to gods like Baal-Hamon or Moloch, often involving fire. These accounts paint a picture of barbaric acts, but they come from cultures that were often hostile to the Phoenicians and Carthaginians. This makes it hard to know how much of their stories are accurate. Archaeologists have found many urns at Tophet sites, especially in Carthage, Sardinia, and Sicily. These urns contain the remains of children who were very young, even fetuses and newborns. Some argue that high infant mortality rates in ancient times could explain these burials, meaning many children died naturally. Others point out that animal bones found alongside human remains suggest ritual offerings. But it does not necessarily mean human sacrifices happened. Some researchers have found inscriptions at these sites mentioning offerings or vows to gods. They believe these could be evidence of ritual sacrifices. The small number of burials compared to how long these sites were used suggests they were special places for rites, not ordinary cemeteries. Occasionally, remains of older children have been found, which some interpret as evidence of sacrifice, but these cases are rare. In southwest Europe, especially in Sardinia, local traditions sometimes see Tophets as mixed burial sites, combining Phoenician and indigenous practices. The word molk, or MLK, often linked to sacrifice, might actually refer to offerings or rituals, not necessarily killing children. Many experts think that while some sacrifice might have happened in extreme cases, there is no clear proof of large-scale child sacrifice. Instead, they see Tophets as sacred spaces where children who died young were buried, possibly with fire rituals but not necessarily with killing. This topic influences how museums and heritage sites present these sites today. Many focus on the physical evidence and avoid sensational claims. They emphasize that the true purpose of these sites is still debated. From a factual point of view, the question remains open. The evidence shows both sides. Some signs point to ritual offerings, but high infant mortality and natural death patterns also fit the findings. In regions like Sardinia and Sicily, most archaeologists lean toward seeing Tophets as places for burying children who died early, with some ritual elements involved. The idea of systematic child sacrifice is not proven, but the debate continues. So, in the end, the answer is not clear-cut. There is no solid proof that children were regularly sacrificed at Phoenician Tophet sites. Most evidence suggests these were sacred burial grounds for children who died young, with possible ritual practices that might have included fire or offerings. The story remains open, and ongoing research continues to explore these ancient mysteries.